Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. And in today's video, we are going to learn about how to give dimensions to circles or arcs. So, let's say we are making a circle over here, and we are making an arc over here by specifying 2 points. So, both is right over here. So, now what we are going to do is that we want to give the dimensions for the circle and the arc. So for a straight line, it is very easy. We know how to do it. Just write the command dim and press click on the line, and just you have to pull it out. And here is the dimension of the line. It is not set to scale, so it is so small. But for concept, the command is dim, which stands for dimensions. So for giving dimensions for circles and arcs, the command to be used is dim radius, which is right over here, dim red, which means dim radius, and then you have to select an arc or a circle. Please note that this command only focuses on circle and arches. So by using this command, you can only give dimensions to circle or arcs. Okay, so we'll select a circle over here, and then we'll specify the place that we want to give the dimensions. The dimension is again right over here. And how to what to do if this thing happens in your file is that you have to select the dimension, then write properties, then you have to scroll down here in text, and you have to change the text height right over here, which is highlighted in blue. And you have to, like, let's say 10 is big enough. So yeah, and you have to close the properties tab as you don't want it anymore. Sorry for the coughing. So yeah, this is the way you can give the dimension to a circle. And the same way you have to write dim radius, dim red, and then you have to select the arc. And same way you can give the dimension of an arc right over here. And what to do after this is that you can set this in your dimension modifier properties, but that is a long process. So if you don't want to do it at that point of time, then just match properties, so the text size will match the properties of itself. So and also note that this dimension is nothing like the diameter, it's only the radius. This dimension right over here that you can see in this arc or circle, it is the radius from the center of the circle or the arc. So I think that's all covered on the video. And if you like the video and you found it that it was useful, these things are from the previous videos. If you have not watched it, then go and watch it. So yeah, that's it. I think that's it for the video, and share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.